morning, children. Welcome back to the online class of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. I am Swati, your maths teacher. Children, I hope you all are fine and safe. Yes, we have started our chapter fractions. Okay, and now we know what are whole and fractions, and also we have learned about halves, thirds and fourths. And also we know what is numerator and what is denominator, isn't it? So today let's do all the questions from exercise number 4 and 5. Okay, and you can also do it with me. Okay, so are you ready? Yes. So let's start. Children, this is exercise number 4 on page number 18. Okay, so the first question is fill in the blanks. So see the first question. Yes, there are 5 equal parts. The whole is divided into 5 equal parts in which one part is taken, isn't it? So see the questions. How many equal parts? So how many equal parts are there? Yes, 5. And how many colored parts? So how many colored parts are there? 1. Fraction that is colored. So what will be the answer? Yes, 1 divided by 5. That is number of parts taken by number of equal parts, isn't it? Yes, so the answer is 1 by 5. Okay. Now let's move on to the next question. So how many equal parts? See here, the whole is divided into 6 equal parts. So how many equal parts are there? 6. And how many colored parts? 4. So the fraction that is colored is equal to, yes, 4 by 6. Okay, so 4 by 6 is the fraction. That is the number of parts taken by number of equal parts. Okay, yes. Now let's move on to the next question. Second question. Write what fraction is colored. Okay, so see the first question. There are 5 equal parts in which how many parts are colored? 2. So the fraction is equal to 2 by 5. Is it clear? Yes. Next question B. How many equal parts are there? 8. Then number of colored parts equal to 1. So that is the fraction is equal to 1 by 8. Okay, 1 by 8 is the fraction. And question C, how many equal parts are there? 6 equal parts. And how many colored parts? Yes, 3 colored parts. So the fraction is equal to 3 by 6. Okay, 3 by 6 is the fraction. And question D, how many equal parts are there, children? Yes, 8 equal parts. And how many colored parts? 5. So, what will be the fraction? 5 by 8. Okay, 5 by 8 is the fraction. Is it easy? Okay. Now the next question, E. So, how many equal parts are there? 6. And how many colored parts? 4. So, what will be the fraction? 4 by 6. Okay, 4 by 6 is the answer. And the next question, F. So, how many equal parts are there in that figure? 10 equal parts. And how many colored parts? 6 colored parts. So, the fraction will be, yes, 6 by 10. Okay, 6 by 10 is the answer. Now let's move on to the next question in exercise 4. Choose the fraction to show how much of the glass is full. Children, let's observe the glass and find the fraction. Okay. So look at the glass, children. We know that when whole is divided into 2, we get half, isn't it? See the first glass. Yes, half of the glass is filled with water. Okay, so half means 1 by 2. So what will be the answer? Yes, the fraction is 1 by 2. So we can say that half portion of the glass is full. Okay, see the glass B. Just compare the glass A and B. Children, when whole is divided, we get half. When half is again divided, we will get 1 by 4. Children, now look at the glass B. Is glass B filled with half of the water filled in glass A? Is it? No, it is less than that. So the answer will be 1 by 6. Okay, that is not 1 by 4. The answer is 1 by 6, which means 1 by 6th portion of the glass is full. Okay, yes. So 1 by 6 is the fraction. Now see the question C. Look at the glass C. Is glass C filled with half of the water filled in glass A? Yes, it is exactly half of the water filled in glass A. When we compare the glass A and glass C, we will get the answer as 1 by 4th, which means it is the half of the water which is filled in A. Okay. So the answer is 1 by 4, and we can say that 1 by 4th of the glass is full. Now look at the glass D. What will be the answer? Yes. There are 4 equal portions in which 3 portions are filled with water, isn't it? So the answer is 3 by 4, which means 3/4 of the glass is full. Okay, so 3 by 4 is the answer. Children, for glass A, half of the glass is full, and for glass B, 1 by 6th of the glass is full, and for glass C, 1 by 4th of the glass is full. Okay, and for glass D, 3/4 of the glass is filled. Okay, so 3 by 4 is the answer. Now let's move on to the exercise number 5. Question is, in each case, write the numerator, denominator and the fraction in the table. Okay, so we have to write the numerator, denominator and fraction for these figures given. Okay, so see the first figure. Yes. So how many equal parts are there? Yes, there are 10 equal parts. So that will be the denominator. And what will be the numerator? It is the number of parts taken or colored. Okay, so how many parts are colored in the first figure? Yes, 3. So 3 will be the numerator. Then what will be the fraction? 3 by 10. Okay, yes. Then see the second figure. Yes, how many parts are colored? 3. So 3 is the numerator. Then how many equal parts are there? Yes, 9. So 9 is the denominator. So what will be the fraction? 3 by 9. Okay. Now the next figure, see how many colored parts are there? 4. And how many equal parts? 8. So the fraction is 4 by 8. And the last one, how many parts are colored? 4. And how many equal parts are there? 8. So what will be the fraction, children? 4 by 8. So 4 by 8 is the answer. Is it easy, children? Okay. So do all these questions in your touch. And if you have any doubts in these questions, we will clear it during our live sessions. Okay. So let's see in our next class with some new topics. Till then, take care. Bye.